I think we've got ourselves in a bit of fucking trouble here.
We're gonna go, what the
Funky
fuck?
reckons we're going with that fucking thing. I don't fucking know about that.
Not when it's wet, don't wet it.
Flunky actually looks like he's having fun. Now Joel, holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Jeez.
What have we got our fucking selves into?
Dead.
Alright, we're now in the fucking bucket. And going to be doing some strange fucking shit. Hang the fuck on. We haven't even gone anywhere yet. We haven't been swinging. We're just driving at the moment. And holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh fuck me. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking you fucking crazy.
You're fucking mad.
Oh, here we go, the other way. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off, cunt. Some water down there, cunt. Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah, that was fun.
Shit.